In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks with To Do in Outlook. We'll walk through where to find To Do from Outlook, how to add a task, mark it as important, complete it, and use the built-in options to keep everything organized. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, look for the link that says All Microsoft. This opens a list of Microsoft products and services. From there, click Outlook to head into the Outlook experience. Once you're on the Outlook page, click Sign In so your tasks can sync with your account and be available across devices. After you're signed in, look for the App Launcher icon near the top of the page. It's the small grid of squares that opens a menu of apps. Click that icon, then choose To Do to open your task dashboard. To create your first task, click the plus icon. This is your quick way to add items as they come to mind. Type a clear name or title for your task so it's easy to understand at a glance. Short, action-oriented titles work best, like Send Project Update or Book Meeting Room. As soon as you add the title, your task is saved and ready to track. If this task matters more than others, click the star to mark it as important. Starring is a simple way to visually elevate priorities so they stand out whenever you scan your list. It helps you focus when your day gets busy and ensures high-impact work doesn't get buried. When you finish the task, click the checkbox to mark it as completed. This gives you an immediate sense of progress and keeps your active list clean. Don't worry, completed tasks aren't gone forever. You can still review what you've accomplished if you need to reference it later. For more control, right-click the task to open a menu with additional options. Use Edit if you want to refine the title or correct a typo. Choose Move to place the task somewhere else if you're reorganizing. You'll also see options to set a due date or a reminder. A due date helps you plan your schedule, while a reminder sends a timely nudge so you don't forget. And if you no longer need the task, select Delete to remove it and keep your list focused. That's it. Finding To Do in Outlook, adding tasks, prioritizing them, completing them, and using the right-click menu to manage details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.